What's up guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Carabella and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my collagen smoothie. This smoothie is going to be packed full of antioxidants, collagen, and good things for your body and skin. So if you're new, click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell and let's get started. So the ingredients you're going to need to create this smoothie are frozen fruit, fresh raspberries, fresh blackberries, fresh blueberries, Collagen Peptides off Amazon. I'll link it below if you guys need it or want to check it out. Almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk. Very low calories, no dairy, very good for you. Almond butter, no dairy, no gluten, no nothing. And of course, some spinach. So what I like to do is I like to mix up a little concoction of all of these things and it makes the best smoothie. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the frozen berries. I'm just going to pour some of them in here. And I'm just making the smoothie for me, so I don't want to put too much. But I really do like to mix fresh fruit with frozen fruit just because frozen fruit, I don't know. I don't know if all the nutrition is there. It's been frozen for so long, who knows. So some blackberries, some raspberries, blueberries. Of course, you're gonna need your spinach. And I like to just put this along the top. Then I'll top this off with some almond milk so it blends nice and easy. We're gonna blend this up first and then we're gonna add the collagen and the almond butter because by that time everything will be more of a smoothie. The spinach is not trying to blend today. There we go. Now you wanna add your vital proteins, collagen peptides. This is really good for your hair, skin, nails, joints, everything. Honestly, you guys, if you're on Accutane and you're having a lot of joint pain, something like this can really help you. It's joint support, so it actually adds lubrication in your joints. I know a lot of people that suffer from joint pain when they're on Accutane, so this is definitely worth checking out. Also, bone broth is really good for your joints and your bones when you're on Accutane, since Accutane really dries out your body. But if you're just looking to get healthy hair, skin, and nails, this is also really good for you, especially skin. Collagen helps to repair your skin. If you have scarring or acne like me, it can really help you out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 cups of this into the smoothie. It comes with this cute little lever right here. So we're just gonna add 1 spoon and a 2nd spoon. Next is almond butter. I only take a little bit of almond butter just for flavor because the berries are so sweet. It just needs to tone it down a little bit because I'm not trying to drink super sour berries. So just take 1 spoonful and add it to your smoothie. I try to put it in the actual blended slushy already. Try to put it away from the motor because you don't want peanut butter or almond butter stuck to your motor. So just like that. It's so bomb. Put it on the lowest setting and let it blend nice and smoothly, very gently. It doesn't need to do any more like flying around or anything like that. It just needs to kind of soak in. So I'm gonna put it on the dough setting, the lowest setting. All right, you guys, and that is it. Now I'm just gonna pour some. All right, and this is literally it. It's so good for you. It's packed full of antioxidants, veggies obviously because we had spinach and all the good berries, plus it has the collagen peptides in it, so it's gonna really help your skin, your hair, and your nails. It's honestly like drinking biotin times 10. It's so good. One last thing, you guys, these collagen peptides are not flavored, so you can actually put these in your water bottle and drink them in your water throughout the day. It's really good for your skin if you're trying to do more of anti-aging, if you're trying to fight acne scarring and things like that. Your body needs collagen to repair itself. Your body needs collagen to fight off wrinkles. So definitely give it a try. There's tons of brands on Amazon that sell collagen peptides. This is one that is more natural, and I've heard really good things about it. This is how I make my collagen smoothie. I highly recommend you guys try it. Leave me a comment down below. Have you ever tried collagen peptides? If you have, what brand do you use, and do you recommend me to try something else? Also, depending on what time of day you drink this, you're gonna wanna limit certain amounts of fruits. If you're gonna drink this right before bed, you definitely wanna go very light on the berries because it's gonna spike up your blood sugar. You don't wanna have high blood sugar before you're going to bed. It is fruit, but it's still sugar. So just be very careful when you drink your smoothie. Definitely important. Also, I didn't add bananas in this right now because I'm not doing bananas at this moment, but oftentimes I do use bananas, so it's totally up to you. You can add ingredients like pineapple, mango, banana, kiwi, whatever you guys want. All fruits are good fruits, so I highly recommend you guys try this. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!